Now this is a different style of pine cone. I found this abroad, brought it home, dried it, I got a load of them. They're not as woody as those, they're more of a kind of leaf, a bit finer. What I've done with this chewing gum pot, I've turned it upside down, I've left the lid on, cut the bottom out because it's a bit wider, the gap. So that's going to go in like that. And then I'll put this piece of tape over, I'll just get that central. Again, it just stops it from floating away. I think that's going to make a nice turning. This is a blue, this is the orange and a bit of that green in there. Whether it turns out alright, I don't know. Hi all, so I don't know what I'm going to do with this one yet. I'm just going to get this face down and see what the pattern of the pine cone looks like in here. And then I might go for a small lidded box. The old pattern's coming through now. This has to come off because when it hits your hands it stings quite a lot. First for the wet sanding. I like the wet sanding not only because it makes you get the first kind of look at it being quite shiny, is that you know the resin isn't getting hot. Okay, let's have a little look at this. It's looking lovely. Let's wet that up. Okay. It's a nice fit. I'm going through the grits up to 600 with this turner's mesh, and then back onto the micro mesh. Okay, back for the wet sanding. Okay. I didn't set out knowing what I was going to do with this piece of resin today. It's just kind of gone on and on. It was more of a, I suppose, a bit of a practice in turning than anything else. But it's quite amazing, these patterns that come out. What I'm probably going to end up doing with this is quite a tight fit, that lid. What I'm going to end up doing with this is using it as a a handle on one of my cupboards. I will just, all I've got to do is drill a hole through here and bolt it to a door, and then that will, and I will stick that on the, well, it won't come off because it's quite a tight fit, but I think that's what I'm going to use this for. There's a little hole there where a bit of the wood come out, and that's, that white in there is the polish off the mops. But it really is beautiful. So these are the pine cones I used for this. They, when they're closed up, they're quite thin, but these are dried out. But they're not like pine cones I've seen like in our local park. These are quite, this leaf is quite thin and not that woody. Okay everyone, hope you enjoyed it. Cheers all, see you soon.